Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing Ipsy versus Ipsy.
Two Ipsies enter, one Ipsy leaves.
It's where we each get an Ipsy bag. Hi, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. We each get an Ipsy bag, an Ipsy glam bag, and we put them up against each other to see who has the better glam bag for the month. Okay, so this is December. This is what the bag looks like. It's pink and red on the front, orange on the back.
Or is it red and pink?
And it just has a standard zipper pull, which says "Hooray" on it. And on the other says Ipsy.
Hooray.
I think they could have done...
Hooray for zippers.
I think they could have done better for a December bag. This doesn't scream holiday to me.
It doesn't really scream much of anything to me. I said it's not horrible, but it's just kind of like, eh.
Yeah. And so, yeah, you get 5 items, 5 sample size items in your Ipsy bag. You get to pick one item. And this month's theme is, oh, what fun.
Treat yourself.
Can you read what it says on the front?
Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of year.
Usually it says what you got in your bag on the inside, but it doesn't this month. Just some stuff on the inside. So let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's bags. I am not that excited about my bag, to tell you the absolute truth. I am kind of excited about the item I picked and one other thing. Everything else is just kind of meh. What do you think about your bag?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Okay, let's...
It is 5 items. That's what I
It
think
is
about my
5
bag.
items. Okay, let us... Do you remember what you picked?
I think it was this.
Okay, so let's show the items that we picked in our bag. Mine is the Milk Matte Bronzer, Cream Bronzer, and Contour Stick. What is yours?
Mine is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics 1999 4-color eyeshadow palettes. 4 colors, all the way from 1999. And there they are.
Mine is... I'm excited about what I got. Mine is a bronzer stick. So that is... They're both makeup items. Yeah, but yours is an eyeshadow palette, so
And it's from 1999.
so yours probably gets the point.
It'll help you to party like it's 1999.
So yeah, so then we go on to products that we got the same of. So it looks like we got one product that is the same, and it is the Nanette Lepore Everlasting. What is this? A fragrance? Yeah, it's a fragrance, a travel spray.
It's everlasting, so really you only need to spray it once.
It is very... What is that? Top notes, rose, essence, and white jasmine, very florally. Mid notes,
I kind of like it.
bee blossom honey, and white orchid. Base notes, sandalwood, dark musk, and amber. Well, I like the base notes.
Kind of smelling that sandalwood and oil thing now.
You think so? Oh, it's pretty, it's nice.
I'm not that good at identifying smells.
Not my favorite.
You know how, like, you ask me sometimes, they're like, what's that smell? I'm like, I don't know.
People have to tell me what's in it. I can't I can't. I'll be like, yeah, I can smell that.
I can smell the undertones of jasmine in the 4th octave.
Okay,
Well, obviously that one's a tie since we got the same thing.
you got all makeup. Okay, so that's a tie.
What you got there? Looks magical.
It's from a Biro. It looks like a serum of some kind. I can't. It doesn't say. Oh, here it says pear serum oil.
Oh.
Okay, so a teeny tiny bit of pear serum
What is
oil.
that, like about a sixth of a pear, maybe?
So, what do you have?
I have a brush. Ooh, it's fluffy.
What kind of brush is that?
Half caked.
Half caked?
Half caked.
It doesn't say what kind of brush it is.
I think that's the brand.
It's a shader.
Right.
Oh, that's a pretty nice brush. It's wooden,
Yeah.
but it's a shader brush. A nice light purple color.
Mm-hmm.
So
The purple eyeshadow color case.
he gets the point on that one, which means it really doesn't matter for us to go forward, but we will show you what else is in our back
To the bitter end.
boxes. Okay, the next thing I got is a Christophe Robin Scrub Lavant Purifiant. What is that? A cleansing and purifying scrub. I guess this is for my head, since Christophe Robin is hair stuff.
Your head.
If I did
From
this,
that head.
if I did this to my hair, the rest of my hair would fall out.
Directions. Yeah, it's supposed to go in your hair. Massage through hair, then emulsify. Do you know how to emulsify something?
Add water,
Ah.
probably. So I'll probably put this in an upcoming giveaway.
Sounds like something that they do in Harry Potter, where they're like, emulsify.
I can't do harsh things to my head. What do you have? What else do you have?
I have this, which I believe you were saying bad things about.
No, that was
A different one?
It was a different
Okay.
one.
This is the Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara. It's wondrous. Ooh.
I like those kind of ones.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. And it's got little stars on it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, and the last thing I got, which I think I already own, is the Chella Hello Beautiful eyeshadow palette. And I don't think I have it, but I'm not going to keep it. It's just one matte and 3 shimmers right there.
That's a good ratio of shimmers to matte.
I don't think so. I prefer more mattes than shimmers. So,
Here, let me see for a second. Hello, beautiful.
Oh, I can smell that perfume everywhere. Okay, what is your last item?
Some sort of pencil. Luna Magic lip liner in Besitos, which is some kind of a. I busted the tip right off. Kind of a dark mauvey kind of color there.
Dark mauve.
Yeah. So when you do this, can you make more come out, or is that it?
Yeah, you just
Okay,
twist
do
it.
that. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, so to recap, I got the Milk Makeup bronzer in mine, the Nanette Lepore Everlasting in mine, the Pear Serum Oil, the Scalp Scrub, and the Chella eyeshadow palette. What did you get?
I got the 4-color eyeshadow palette, the Wonder Wand Ciate mascara, the Luna Magic Lip Liner pencil, and that brush, yeah, the Everlasting spray that smells a lot, and this brush.
Okay, and we determined that Aaron won this time, which I think is a fair assessment.
We are the champions. We are the champions. Copyright claim.
Okay, let us know your opinions down in the comment section.
Let us know down below.
Did you get your bag this month? Did you get an Ipsy bag this month? What do you think of the bag?
Did you treat yourself?
And
did you have what fun?
oh wait, maybe this is what was the theme? Oh, what fun or treat yourself?
I think it's more of a general kind of thing, because this is about a
Oh,
sale.
it was oh what fun.
Yeah.
So treat yourself is talking about buying more stuff.
They want you to buy more stuff? What?
Buy.
Not Ipsy.
Okay.
They're so
Anyway.
they're so militantly anti-commercial, you know. I mean,
Anyway, tell us what you got in your Ipsy glam bag and what you think of the bag. And it is very soft. I'll look at that. All the good things down in the comment section. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps me. Really helps the algorithm, really helps me, helps with engagement.
big sacrifice unto the algorithm.
And if you are new here, thank you for picking this video to watch. We really appreciate it. If you're interested in lots of makeup materials, subscription unboxings, a few cooking videos here and there, and some talking about mental health issues, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video.
And if you enjoyed seeing me in this video, I'm in other videos too. And if you didn't enjoy me seeing me in this video, there's a lot of ones that I'm not in.
Okay.
Either way, there's something here for you.
I hope you're having a fantastic day today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're having an especially hard time, especially this time of year, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good, wonderful holiday vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, see you then. Okay, goodbye.